He's in custody.
Get back out. Put your hands on the car.
Exhale the exhaust. Cal State, land of the law. So deadly it got gangsters saying prayers to the cross, throwing signs like we're deaf or something. Getting killed at 15 like we're meant for nothing. My little nephew beat me on Modern Warfare 2. That means he's old enough to get his ass shot in school. Picture that 9 Glock with your baby's hands on it. He ain't old enough to drive, but got the outstanding warrants. Why-gate twisted precise to a demon with a million name shit list. I stay vivid and all blue like the fucking Detroit Pistons. Blow smoke rings, I scheme deep when I'm plotting. I got street ties from Bakersfield down to Compton. While I'm contemplating my next crime, I'm sitting behind the fog with 2 guns and a beautiful mind. In my concert, they'll trample you. Where I'm from, if you're young, the cops gavel you, handcuff and examine you. Where I grew up, girls have 2 kids, they was only 16 and their baby's daddy was a screw up, and I drank until I threw up. Chuck my weed and hauled ass whenever the patrol car swooped up. I watched family members shoot up at the kitchen table while they told me to get ready for bed and don't forget my prayers. The whole time I looked around and wondered why everybody had a dad, but mine was hard to find.
I've been through the struggles, been through the pain. I wanna get away so I can ease my brain. At the end of the day, the streets is all I know. And I would ride for my city, die for my hood. At the end, it'll do me no good if I just wait. But with the streets is all I know.
They say never, ever bite the hand that feeds you. You should never set flames to the path that leads you, cause losing your focus can be so easy. They say I'm destined for greatness, but this game's deceiving and it leaves me with choices that I don't want to make. It's like I'm still paying the price for my past mistakes. Late at night I lay wide awake, like my soul won't rest till I crack the cave. I look in the eyes of my beautiful daughter. If I die today, I know someone will carry my honor. My enemies lined up for the slaughter. The industry don't see us, all they see is the dollars. Maybe I'm the bastard that they all say, or maybe these motherfuckers just need to hate something to make it through the day. After the lights, the screaming fans is an empty stage. We only have one life after this beat fades.
Been through the struggles, been through the pain. I wanna get away so I can ease my brain. At the end of the day, the streets is all I know. And I would ride for my city, die for my hood. At the end, it'll do me no good if I just wait. But with the streets is all I know.
If only they could see this world through my eyes. I ain't the same no more, my own homies don't know me. Can't let the darkness destroy me. I can't get peace of mind cause my brain's too noisy. I sit in the studio by myself, spill my heart across beats and crawl back in my shell. And still addiction pursues me. Plus my girl keeps bitching that she don't know the true me. A different breed in the streets, like we're possessed. Moms, I hope you're praying for me. And everybody that I love knows I'm close to the edge. They all say if I don't stop, I'ma turn up dead. I'm a soldier, we all suffer. Don't mistake me for a newcomer. You couldn't match my hunger. From the home of the KC Royals, I ain't talking baseball in this West Coast soil.
And I've been through the struggles, been through the pain. I wanna get away so I can ease my brain. At the end of the day, the streets is all I know. And I would ride for my city, die for my hood. At the end, it'll do me no good if I just wait. But with the streets is all I know.
Precise.